Hello, my name is Robert Dean Steele, and I've been talking to the gentleman about how to be a gentleman. Now, it may not be part of your DNA, but the suggestions I have will go a long ways in touching people around you, especially the ladies. And if it is part of your DNA, then this is simply review. Now, have you thought about sending flowers to that special lady? It may be your wife, it may be your girlfriend. But when you send flowers, and I'm not talking about the $100 type that you give at Valentine's Day, I'm just talking about stopping by a local flower shop, or maybe when you're traveling through a grocery store, you see these flowers, and you just bring them home or bring them to where they are. And you know what it does? It just speaks volumes to them because it's unexpected. And it's always wonderful to do the unexpected. And also as well, have you ever thought about walking outside on the sidewalk? I mean, she's on the inside, you're on the outside. Now, the first time that this does it, they probably confuse the young lady. And they may even start questioning, why are you doing this? But then what you tell them is that if there's a car that goes by and splashes water, they're the ones that don't get wet. You're the one that gets wet. And it's just preventing what we call that curbside tragedy. And also as well, when you're walking down the street, hold their arm if they want to do that. What that simply shows is that you are a gentleman and that you're very proud to have them on your arm and they're very special to you. These are just two simple suggestions that show that you are a gentleman. And you know what? The ladies really do appreciate it. My name is Robert Dean Steele. You have yourself a great and godly day.